Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's select this hand one layer, go to solo and go to pen behind icon and move the anchor point down and clickation tool on solo, select this hand 2, let's go to solo. Okay, let's link to hand 1, select hand 1 and press R, open rotation, change rotation like this and make rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframes. For shotgun you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard and change rotation like this. Go to 10 keyframes again, change -10, go to again 10 keyframes, change 5, again go to 10 keyframes, change 0 or change -2.5. Last go to 10 keyframes, change 0. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's animation. Okay, not bad. So go to here and select this phone. Let's go to solo. Okay, link to hand 2. Select home. Also link to phone. Select line. Link to phone. Select pin and link to phone, select fingers, link to hand 2 layer. Let's again. Okay, looks good. So select this hand 1, hold shift, press P and make new passing keyframe, move to down and go to next keyframe, move to up. Select these 2 passing keyframes, make easies. Let's again. Nice. Okay, let's back to first keyframe, select these layer plants, go to solo, move the anchor point down, clickation tool, select layer plant 2, go to solo, and move the anchor point down, clickation tool, and plant 3, go to solo, move the anchor point again down, clickation tool, and final plant 4. Go to solo and move the anchor point down, clickation tool and unsolo. So select these layer plants, press S and go to here, make scale keyframe, go to back, change scales 0. And right now select these keyframes, make easies or click F9. And select again plants layers, press R for open rotation, and I want to use expression for endless and loop rotate animations. Let's go to here, hold alt, click time icon, and let's write here wiggle 1 6. For down expression, click this empty area. Let's animation. Okay, let's go to solo. Not bad. Let's double click this expression for edit and copy wiggle expression, Ctrl C. Let's unsolo plant 1, select plant 2, hold alt, click time icon, Ctrl V, click here for down expression, close settings, again hold alt, make someone, click this time icon, Ctrl V and click here, again hold alt, click time duration, Ctrl V for paste and click here for down expression. Let's see scene. Okay, so select this layer. Let's move to right and plant 1 also move to right for random animations. Okay, not bad. Let's move to left a little bit. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's select this pin, let's zoom to layer, and right now select this pen behind icon, Move anchor point down. Okay, clickation tool and move to right layer. Press S, open scale, change scale 0. Make scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, change 110, go to 10 keyframes, change 95, again go to 10 keyframes, change 105, again go to 10 keyframes, change 100. So there are more keyframes for bones animation. And say keyframes make easies. Let's say animation. Okay. Select keyframes, hold Alt, move to left. And go to first keyframe, hold Shift, press R, open rotation. Make rotate keyframe, change rotation -50. And go to here, next keyframe, change 25. And next keyframe, change -15. Again go to 10 keyframes, change 10. And next keyframe, change -5. And next keyframe, change 0. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's see timing. Okay, let's select this pin and move to left here. And select this scale keyframes, Ctrl C. Select this home icon and move to right. Ctrl V for paste. Let's move to left. And select this pin. Let's put here. And select this line, go to solo. I want to make new line with pen tool. Let's click here for unselect any layers. Go to pen tool and make one line like this. And clickation tool, go to fill, select none for close inside color, click OK, and go to stroke, change stroke width, and change color white. Okay, let's move to right. And for animation, go to add and let's use trim pads. And open here trim pads 1. Change end 0. Make end keyframes. And go to here, change end 100. Say keyframes make easies. And for smooth start and end lines, select shape layer. Go to search and search here stroke. And let's close and open stroke, change bed cap to round cap. Let's select the shape layer, let's move to right and go to color cube. Let's use this purple color, click OK and move to back again. Select this line vector layer and delete. Select the shape layer, change name rod line and unsolo. And let's move to right, go to here. Let's link to phone layer and move to behind these home icons. Select this home and move to here. Let's see. Let's see full animation here. Okay, select this pin, move to left and rod line. Let's move to here. Okay, select this home icon, move to right. Let's see. Nice. Let's move to right a little bit, home icon. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's close all keyframe settings, select these all layers and click this icon for 3D layers. And right now, let's see timing. Okay, after rod line animation, let's select this phone and go to edit, split layer and Ctrl Shift D for split phone layer. Okay, so and let's create new camera, right mouse, new and camera. Don't change any settings, click OK. And for camera controls, let's select this camera 1, right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pan behind icon. Clickation tool And right now select this camera. Let's see timing. And right now let's press P, make new path in keyframe, and go to 5 seconds and move it up. Select keyframes, make easies, or click F9. Go to graph editor, select this graph, make smooth animation. Let's see. Nice. And back to keyframes. Let's select this phone 2 layer. And in this time press P, make new path in keyframe, and go to here. Let's move it up. Let's see. Okay, say keyframes, make easies, and let's see this part animation. Okay, I want more speed animation for hide this part. Select this camera keyframes, go to graph editor, and select this graph. Let's move to left, and this move to left. Back to keyframe, select this phone 2 keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's see, select this graph, move to left. Okay, not bad. Okay, that's good. So back to keyframes, and right now select this scene 2, select all these layers. Let's Ctrl C, back to scene 1, select this camera tool and Ctrl V. Then click this icon for 3D layer and go to next keyframe and select these elements moved up. Okay, so select all these layers. Let's link to mobile 3D. Select this mobile 3D, press S, change scale, and move to here. Okay, let's see. Nice. And in this time, let's select this phone 2 and let's hold shift, press R, open rotation, and in this time make X rotation and go to here, change rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, and select this rotation, change like this. Okay, so in this time, let's select this phone 2 and go to edit, split layer, delete. Let's see. Okay, and right now select this mobile 3D. Let's move to right. Okay, that's good. And in this time, let's make animation for these elements. Select this card layer and let's press P. Go to here and move to down. Make new path in keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes and move it up. Let's see. Okay, so select keyframes. Let's make easies. And select these keyframes, move to left and select this card. Let's move to here. I want perfect timing. And here let's hold shift, press S, change scale 0, make scale keyframe and go to here, change scale 100%. Select these passing keyframes, move to right and move to right this last keyframe. Okay, so select keyframes, make easies for scale. And select these 2 passing keyframes, go to graph editor and make graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes and select this layer, move to left. Nice. So in this time, let's hold shift, press R and go to here, make Z rotation and go to 10 keyframes, chain rotation like this, go to 10 keyframes, chain like this, again go 10 keyframes, change rotation for random movements, and select keyframes. Let's make easies. Let's see. Okay, select these rotation keyframes, and for slow animation hold Alt, move to right. Okay, that's good. And let's make someone for other elements. Let's select all these keyframes, scale, rotation, and 2% keyframes. Let's Ctrl C, copy, select this magnify layer, move to right, and go to first, second, Ctrl V. And let's press P, select these 2% keyframes, go to last position, and move to left. And let's select this last position, move to up a little bit, select this z-axis, move to front. Okay, and let's press R, select rotation keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, and use time reverse keyframes. Let's say again. Okay, so select these keyframes, let's move to right. Nice. And select this magnify. Let's move to right a little bit. And select this taxi card layer. Again, move to right. And go to first, second. Let's Ctrl V for paste all keyframes. Press P. Select these 2% keyframes. Go to last position keyframe. And when we select 2% keyframes, we can move to left this object. And select this last position keyframe, move to left, and move up here. Okay, let's press R, select rotation keyframes, move to right. Okay, select this card layer. Let's go to last position keyframe, select position, and move to right like this. Okay, very nice. So in this time, let's make animation for these lines. Let's close these keyframe settings. Select the start, go to solo, and move the anchor point down. Clickation tool. And let's select this pin layer. Press S for select the scale keyframes, Ctrl C, and select this start layer. Let's move right, and Ctrl V for scale keyframes. Nice. Let's unsolo. Okay, and select this finish icon, move right, and move the anchor point again down. Clickation tool and Ctrl V. Okay, and let's make this line. Select this rod and delete, and don't select any layer. Go to pen tool. Let's make one line. Clickation tool. Go to fill, select again none, click OK, and change stroke width. And let's open inside contents, shape 1 and stroke 1. Change butt cap to round cap, and click this dashes icon for dashes. And change dash like this. Okay, and let's go to here. Let's move to right and make offset keyframe. Go to some seconds, change offset 1000. Let's see. Okay, nice, and let's change this minus 1000. Very good. So let's click this for 3D layer and move to up. Okay, and let's go to add, use again trim pads, and go to first, second, open trim pads 1, change end 0, make end keyframe, and go to 5 keyframes, change 100. Let's see. Nice. Select keyframes, make easies, and move to left for fast animation. Nice. And close change name map road. And let's link to mobile 3D. And let's see timing again. Okay, select this start, move to here, select this roadmap, let's move to behind, and move to left, and finish. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's move to left and select this roadmap, press U, select keyframes, move to left, and this move to left. And select this finish, move to left a little bit. Nice. And also let's make animation for plants. Let's select these layered plants, press U, select keyframes for scale, Ctrl C, and select these plants layers. Let's go to first second. Select all plants, move to right, and let's go to solo. Select plant 7, let's move the anchor point here, classation tool, and this plant, move to here, and this also move to here, classation tool, select again this plant, move to here, make someone for all these layers, and finally select this plant, move the anchor point down, classation tool, and select these all plants, press S and paste keyframes with Ctrl V. Okay, so this is very big, and select these all keyframes, change 100. Okay, and select these plants. Let's close keyframe settings and unsolo. Okay, and let's again select these plants, press R and open Z rotation, copy this expression, Ctrl C, and select these plants and press R, open rotation, make Z rotation for expression. Let's see. Nice. Let's close and plant 9. Hold Alt, click time icon for Z rotation, Ctrl V. And close. Again hold Alt, click here, Ctrl V. Again hold Alt, click here, Ctrl V, and here. And finally hold Alt, click time icon, Ctrl V. Click here for done expression. So for random animation, select these plants. Let's make like this. Let's see here. Okay, so select these all plants. Let's see timing. And move to left. Okay, that's good. Let's see animation. Nice. And for next scene, select this camera tool and make new passing keyframe. Go to here and move to right. And say keyframes, go to graph editor, select this graph. Let's make graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes. Let's say again timing. Nice. Select these rotation keyframes, move to left. Okay, go to graph editor and select this graph. Let's move to right. Okay, that's good. So finally, let's go to scene 3 and select this taxi. Let's go to solo and go to here, rectangle tool. Let's make mask like this, classation tool, and Ctrl D car layer, change these wheels and body car. Unsolo. Select these wheels. Let's press M and click inverted. Okay. Select these wheels. This body. Let's change this name body car. And these wheels. Okay, let's unsolo. And in this time, select these all layers. Let's Ctrl C. Go to scene 1. Select this taxi layer. Ctrl V for paste. And move to right all these layers. Let's click this icon for 3D layers. And move to here. Okay, so first select these layer clothes. Let's make animation. Go to first second and press P, make new pass in keyframes. Go to 9 seconds and select this. Let's move to left and this, move to right and this, move to right also. Select keyframes, make easies. Okay. So select these car layers and move to here. Okay. Let's say again. Okay, not bad. So select this car layer and let's press P, make new pass in keyframe and go to 10 keyframes, move to down, go to 10 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy pass. Select keyframes, make easies and move to left. Let's hold Alt, click time icon, go to play button, property and use loop alteration for loop animation. Let's see. Okay, this very slowly. Say keyframes, hold Alt, move to left. Let's again hold Alt, move to left. Okay, that's good. And right now select these wheels, go to solo and unselect wheels. Go to pen tool, let's zoom to here. And let's make one line like this. Clickation tool and change stroke width. Okay, and move right. Go to add and use trim pads. Open trim pads 1 here. Change end 0. Make end keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. Change 100. Let's see. Okay, and go to here. Make start keyframes. Go to 10 keyframes. Change 100. Say keyframes, make easies. And let's see. Okay, say keyframes, hold Alt, move to left. Not bad. So in this time, select the shape layer, go to last keyframe, go to edit and split layer, delete. Select the shape layer, Ctrl D and move to right. Ctrl D again, move to left. Let's see. Okay, select these 3 layers, move to down a little bit. Okay, select these shape layer 3, go to pen tool and change line like this for long line. Also select this shape layer, go to pen tool, change line, clickation tool. Okay, that's good. Select these last 2 lines, move to right a little bit. Very good. And select work area. Let's select these 3 shape layers. Right mouse and pre-compass. Add the name, speed, lines. Click OK. And select speed lines. Let's Ctrl D, move to right. Again Ctrl D for more duplicates. Let's see. Nice, let's move right. Again Ctrl D. So select these compositions. Let's unsolo and right mouse, pre-compass, add the name again, speed, lines, left. Click OK. And let's unsolo this composition. And also unsolo wheels. Select these speed compositions. Move to behind car body. And let's see. Okay, move to left here. And in this time, click again this icon for 3D composition. And move to here. Let's move to down. Let's open composition. And let's use region of interest. Select this region. Change region like this. And go to composition. Let's use crop comp to region of interest for change composition size. And back to scene 1. Let's select this composition, put here. Okay, very nice. And let's Ctrl D, change name, speed line right, and move to right here. Okay, very good. So I will use some expressions and scale keyframes for these plants. And for finally way, select these builds. Let's make fake parallax. Let's press P, make new passing keyframe, and go to here, move to down, and okay, not bad. So let's see full animation. Okay, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.